This is Zipporah. I just wanted to let you guys know how grateful I am for all the support that you've given me during this really rough, kind of crazy hospital stay. I know that we don't even know each other like super well. I've only been a member of the group for the last couple of months, and I guess I never realized how nice people online could be. When I ended up in the hospital, I found myself sharing more with you guys in the group than I was sharing on my own Facebook page. And at first I kind of wondered why. I realized that in the last few months, just since I found the group, I've been spending like so much time talking to you guys and wanting to make more Smashbook pages to show you guys. And of course, you guys have all been enabling me to buy more stuff, and then I'm showing you the stuff I'm buying and enabling you all in return. And it was an escape in a way from my own Facebook and the people in my own life where everyone is always saying, how are you feeling? There's just expectations where if I actually go out and do something, everybody thinks that I'm all better, and it's hard. And I don't get to go out much, so having the group, it was just kind of an escape, but it was also like a place to be around people. And initially, I didn't want to talk so much about my health issues, but clearly that was like a huge part of everything that I was smashing about in the book. I don't know, it's meant a lot to be able to show you guys that I still do something with my life. My idea for my first smash book was a way to remind myself that I was actually doing something with my life and not just laying around in bed, and that my whole life wasn't just going to doctor's appointments and hospital stays. So being able to share that somewhere has been good. Everyone keeps telling me how well I'm dealing with things and how much of a positive attitude I have. I guess sometimes on my own, I get moody. I have my bad days. I cry a lot. I don't have too many people anymore who even really know me. So I guess it's been easier to talk to you guys online. And I don't know. I know a lot of us keep finding out that we're kind of like a big family. And so I know I'm not the only one sharing stuff. I don't know, I shared one thing and it became easier, so I just keep telling you guys what's going on, and I know that it means a lot to know that you actually care. That alone meant the world to me. And then when you all started asking for my hospital address and where to send things, and I keep getting crazy amounts of mail, and my nurses are laughing at me because I'm like, hey, look what I got today, and I'm showing them more scrapbook stuff. I'm like the scrapbook girl in the hospital right now. As I told you guys earlier, I think they gave me a private room just for all the stuff you're sending me. I think I'm going to have to buy a whole new Smashbook just to put in all the cards and things that I've been sent. My parents went to bring me my mail the one day and were telling me that I have postcards from China, from Australia. It's been pretty amazing to realize that maybe in my own little place I don't have a whole lot of friends like here around me, but that like all over the country and all over the world I have you awesome people online to listen to me. I know you keep telling me that I don't need to send you thank yous or that you know how much I appreciate you, but when I find the energy, they're sending you random stuff back because I keep buying too much lately, or I'm gonna make thank you cards or something for all of you. This is at least my best way to thank you at this point. Still fighting the good fight and never gonna give up. You've made my life a whole lot better, and this has been the best hospital stay I've ever had. And I've had a lot of those lately and in the last few years. And knowing that I'm not alone and just having other people see that I fight so hard and supporting me in that fight has meant the world to me. So you guys have been super, super awesome. I adore you all. Thank you so much.